When you're dealing with a real, yeah, when you're dealing with a real, when you're dealing with a real, you're gonna have to go through some stuff, baby, yeah. No, 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 no. So this is one of my original songs. It's called Count on Me. I hope y'all like it. Hey, can I see your hands like this? Just left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. I always see you crying, I never see you smiling. It breaks my heart every time you turn back to him. He don't appreciate you. I will tell you your worth's nothing, but in your mind your perception of man is well, I got news for you, baby. Home is where you should be, and if you want, I can take you there. Said what you gotta want it for yourself, yeah. Reach for happiness and don't you be scared, 'cause baby, all I wanna do is I wanna get to know you, get close enough to show you all I have to give. I can be your friend, and I'll love you till the end. I want you to know that I'm real, and baby, you can count on me. Sometimes people need to hear that, like, yo, you know what, you can count on me. It's not a lot of people that can be counted on. But listen, yes, I can wine and done you, baby girl, that's just fine. But I don't want you to think that's all I have to offer with mine. I'ma rub your back, press your feet, and whip if you need me to. Whenever you need, I wanna cater to you, girl. You can try to fight it and act like everything's okay, or you can change your life and live with me in ecstasy. Baby, the choice is all yours. Girl, it's all up to you. But I promise you can call me whenever you want to, yeah. I said I wanna get to know you, get close enough to show you all I have to give, and I can be your friend. I love you to the end, and I want you to know that I'm real. And baby, listen, hey, I said, Curry, don't compare him to me. Stop tripping. If I'm Michael Jordan, then you Scottie Pippen. If I'm ballin', then you ballin'. If I'm fallin', then I'm callin'. If you tuggin', then I'm pulling together like we can join it. Forever, I love you, but for right now, mama, your hit's real cool. Stop going back and forth with that, man. That's so grade school. But if you kicking and I'm popping, ain't no cheeches in my pocket. I could take you from him if I wanted to. When he can stop me, let's take it for a minute. Hey, because I wanna get to know you, get close enough to show you that all I have to give, said I can be your friend, and I'll love you till the end. I want you to know that I'm real, and baby, you can count on me. Y'all good out there? Hey. Hey, give it up for my homie Darnell on bass, y'all. Hey, listen. It was the summer of '99, and girl, you were looking fine when I first laid eyes on you. And everything after that, feelings they came so fast, and it was like a dream come true. You have been such an inspiration to me, and now I promise to give my dedication to you. But now I gotta leave, but I'll be back soon, and there's something that I wanna leave with you. Don't make it home tonight, girl, I want you to know you were the first and the last thing on my mind. When I pick up the phone, don't hesitate to drive over my crib and chill a little bit, 'cause baby, you are the, you got me speaking in my phone. Baby, I swear it gets no better. I love coming home to you, laying next to you. I love even sexing you.